Okay, I think I figured out my error. And again, this shows you the dangers of typing everything into your calculator. I think I accidentally typed in P1 hat times P2 hat instead of P1 hat times Q1 hat. So I'm going to leave this in the video because again, it shows you that everybody makes mistakes and that it's really hard to get these problems correct. So don't feel bad if you're missing it a couple times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try typing in 887096, and then we want 774. And that gets us to the correct answer. So that gets us to the correct answer. So it's negative 0.072 less than P minus P1 minus P2 less than. And remember, to get the other half, all we have to do is change that 1 minus to a plus on the calculator. And we get the other side, which is 0.012 if we round it to 2 decimal places. So there's our answer, finally. And you'll notice that this time the confidence interval does contain 0. So because the interval limits contain 0, it appears that the two rates of left-handedness are equal. Or at least that we can't rule out that. I don't really like what that says, actually. It appears that they are equal. That's true. A better way of saying it is we can't rule out that they're equal. That would be a better thing to say. There is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that the rate of left-handedness among males is less than among females. So our confidence interval backs up what our hypothesis test said. So therefore, the rate of left-handedness among males does not appear to be less than that among females. So those would be the answers to this next example. Uh, Congratulations, you've just made it through the hardest section of Intro to Statistics. I think 9.1 is the hardest section out of all of them, by a lot actually. And it's just because that there's so many numbers, so many values to put into formulas, so many chances to make a mistake. Indeed, you saw me make a couple mistakes. So if you're really struggling with this, please send me an email and I will do my best to help you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video for section 9.2.